Looking to boost your SEO? Let's install the VidIQ tool. Follow these easy steps to get started and supercharge your YouTube channel. First, visit the VidIQ website. Simply go to vidiq.com, and click on the Get Started for Free button to begin your journey. Next, sign up for an account. You can use your Google account for a quick and easy registration process. It's fast and straightforward. After signing up, download the VidIQ extension. This extension is available for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browsers. Choose your browser and install. Once installed, log into your VidIQ account on your browser extension. This will activate VidIQ features on your YouTube dashboard. Now, explore VidIQ. Check out features like video analytics, keyword research, and competitor tracking to enhance your SEO strategy. That's it! You've successfully installed VidIQ. Start optimizing your YouTube channel today with these powerful SEO tools. Want to rank higher on YouTube? Start with SEO-friendly titles. First, use tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner to find relevant keywords. Next, analyze competitor videos for keyword ideas and title formats. Structure your title to be clear, concise, and keyword-rich. Use numbers and lists in titles to attract viewers. For example, top 5 tips. Test different titles and optimize based on performance metrics. Implement these tips for SEO-friendly titles and watch your YouTube rankings improve. Want your YouTube videos to rank higher? Let's dive into writing SEO-friendly descriptions. Start with thorough keyword research to find what viewers search. Include those keywords naturally within the first 25 words. Write engaging and informative content that captivates and informs. Don't forget to add a call to action to boost interaction. Implement these tips to enhance your video's SEO performance. But wait. If you go to write description manually, need many times, so use AI. Let's see how ChatGPT can help you craft an SEO-friendly description. Step 1. Identify your video's primary keywords. These are the words viewers are likely to search. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate a base description. Provide context and key points to cover. Step 3. Refine the description by including keywords naturally. Ensure it reads well and flows naturally. Step 4. Add additional relevant tags and hashtags to boost discoverability. Step 5. Preview and optimize. Check for readability and keyword density to ensure maximum impact. And that's it! Use these steps to create SEO-friendly descriptions with ChatGPT and watch your views soar. Now, the step to find best tags for your YouTube videos. First, analyze popular videos in your niche to see their tags. Use keyword research tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to find trending tags. Check out your competition to see what tags they are using. Look for commonly used tags in comment sections related to your topic. Experiment with variations of your main keywords to expand your reach. Use these tips to optimize your tags and boost your views. And you thinking that's I will SEO and video will get views? That's a start, but it's not enough. Keywords help with visibility, but engagement comes from quality content and relevance. Research your audience. Understand their needs and craft content that speaks to them directly. Use visuals effectively. High-quality images and videos can significantly boost engagement. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and create a community. Analyze your performance. Tools like Google Analytics can guide improvements. Remember, keywords are just the start. Focus on quality and interaction for true success. Think SEO is dead? Think again. Let's break down why SEO isn't going anywhere. SEO is evolving, not ending. It's more important than ever to have a solid checklist. You have to add checklist. That is, you have to add 8 checklist. Let's discuss about it. First, for the checklist, add end screen. You have to add end screen. Next, add subscribe button. Then, pin a comment. And give reply on a comment. Mainly do all thing that showing on VidIQ tools. Complete VidIQ recommendation. Thanks for watching our video on SEO for YouTube videos. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Follow us on our social media channels for more tips and tricks. Stay tuned for more content on optimizing your digital presence. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, happy optimizing and see you soon. Please wait for next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. And wait. Comment on this video about what videos you want in the next and update us how is your YT journey.